Sapphire 2026.5 is here. We're packing fresh filters, upgrades to some favorites, and a new collection of presets built to excite and inspire. First up, Sapphire Advanced Defocus. This sophisticated defocus blur brings creative digital freedom with the soul of physical glass. Take precise control over bokeh shaping, lens textures, cat's eye highlights, and even matte box simulation. Choose the weathered look of vintage optics or modern digital clarity. Sapphire's legendary lighting effects just got a massive boost. We've reworked Sapphire Glare for modern high-end glints without changing your workflow. In Sapphire Lens Flare, explore the additions to our pro-designed flare library. For flare designers, new offset modes make capturing anamorphic character or stylized streaks effortless. Texture is the building block of so many great effects. Sapphire Texture Ridges is a rock star of procedural noise. Create organic, complex networks of sharp lines and smooth voids. Highly versatile for environmental effects and motion backgrounds. Use it standalone or inside the Sapphire Builder. In 2026.5, the Builder gets even stronger with new tools. Experiment with new noise types in Noise and Dots. Use the flexible Dots tool for custom backgrounds or as building blocks for bigger effects. Builder lets you build your own effects once and share them across your entire team, regardless of host or OS. Get inspired by the new Builder Effect presets. Ready to upgrade?
想要吗？全都整理在菜单里了，快去看看。